Bia.
You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, as I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hand. And when I look in your eyes, I just know, and I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away when they can part of me. Everybody sing. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. Hi, John. And it all began when I met you. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began, and it all began, and it all began when I met you. Yeah, shall we? Hey, John. How are you, John? You're welcome, Kami. You can follow Kami, Boss Kami. Magaling po yung kumanta. Pag-amazing, ano. Uy. Wala na ba kayong mga request? Isa pa. What song is that? Isa lang. Big. Ayun, begging. Anong tawad? Hello, Jello. Ciao, Jello. Ang taas nun. Hindi pa. I'm begging you. Not now. Kasi anong tawad dito? Yung mga ganitong oras kasi, kaya, oo nga, pero, hindi, anong tawag dito? Hindi kasi pwede akong hindi ako makahunat ngayon. Bisaya ka ba or Tagalog? Nahihirapan akong nahihirapan akong mag Tagalog. I'm begging. Gabi na kasi baka gising yung mga kapitbahay namin. Team song wak wak. Hagis muna. Bukas na lang yung begging. I'm begging you. So put your love in. Kantahin mo na lang yan, anong tawag dito, Kami. Mag-live ka, baka or tomorrow. Gusto kong kantahin mo yan. Tsaka yung Through the Fire. Sana ako. To the wall. Ano ba yan, egg? Meron akong egg dito eh. Oo, just tawag dito. Minsan lang ako kasi tawag dito, minsan lang ako nag, excuse me po, nag nag-set up. Minsan lang. Yung araw-araw ko na live, yun, anong tawag dito, tasking lang. Pa-oras lang ba? Pero hindi ako kumakanta. Kumakanta lang ako ng regular live house every Friday. Tapos pag nasa mood, ayun, ganito nagsiset up. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-follow. Baka gusto niyo maglaro, huwag kayong mahiya. Hindi ako malat ngayon. Kita niyo naman, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Sana lahat. Di ba, John? How are you, John? Are you still there? Alam niyo guys, halata ba na may problema? Kasi, uy, tumae ka ba diyan? Sana all. Bili din ako ng ganyan, Arrival.